In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place your design into realistic mockups in Canva. Mockups are a quick, professional way to show your work in context, on a phone, a t-shirt, a framed print, or packaging, without needing a camera or a photo shoot. Let's walk through the exact flow so you can create a polished preview in just a few clicks. First, open your design in Canva so it's visible on the canvas. This part matters. Click on the image or design you want to place into a mockup. Selecting it is important because the editing options you need only appear when the element is highlighted. With your design selected, look for Edit Photo. Depending on your layout, you'll find it on the left side panel or across the top toolbar. Click Edit Photo to open up the editing drawer. Now scroll down until you see Mockups. If you don't see it right away, that's okay. Sometimes it's grouped under Apps, then Smart Mockups. Open that, and you'll arrive at the same place. Click Mockups to reveal all the categories. You'll see styles like phone, shirt, frame, laptop, packaging, and more. Choose a mockup style that best fits how your design will be used. For example, pick a phone for app screens or social posts, a shirt for apparel graphics, a frame for posters and prints, or a laptop for web designs and presentations. As soon as you choose one, Canva automatically places your design inside the mockup so you get an instant preview. If the mockup allows adjustments, you'll see options to crop or fit. Fit keeps your entire design visible, while fill covers the space edge to edge but may crop the sides. Use the positioning tools to nudge your artwork so it looks natural and centered. Some mockups offer extra controls like background color or shadow strength. When available, use those to enhance realism without overdoing it. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG for higher quality and crisper edges, especially for graphics and text. JPG is fine for smaller file sizes or when you're sharing quickly online. If you see size or quality options, pick a slightly higher resolution for sharper results, especially if you plan to post on larger screens. And that's it. Open your design, select it, find mockups through Edit Photo or Apps if needed, choose your style, fine-tune the fit, and download. With this workflow, you can present your design professionally in minutes and make your portfolio, store listings, or client previews look polished and persuasive.